everyone, welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. Police take bribe in lakhs, leave peddlers. Atala further exposes evil practices in the police department. A Prudent exclusive, The Nexus Part 2. It's Prudent Media Impact. Ravi Naik assures action on guilty officers in 48 hours. Says such kind of things will not be tolerated. GBA meets CM, gives ultimatum till 31st March to come out with a draft regional plan. CM assures to come out with a plan in 6 months. Dempo Sports Club beat Mumbai FC in I-League, consolidate lead at the top of the league table. And Intermedia Tennis Ball Cricket Tournament commences. Gomantak, Pudari, Herald and Electronic Media seal semi-final spot. Now the news in detail. Police selling drugs to the peddlers must have stunned you on Wednesday. Now we bring to you more skeletons from police cupboard. This is more shocking. This is Prudent exclusive video will show how drug sellers are left off again by the anti-narcotics cell of Goa police for whooping bribe running in lakhs. This time Atala again exposes his godfathers, Goa police. An exclusive report by Rupesh Samant and Murari Shetty.
Atala loves to talk, brags, and he easily confesses before hidden camera after spilling beans on how he purchases drugs from police. Now he feels proud to claim how his friend from police department controls the drug parties.
He's control all the areas, Arambol, Palulin, all the areas, Anjuna, all the place. Control. Panjim. All Panjim police station, all the police station in the end. And it's big, huh? Big police station. It's not like here, Anjuna. It's serious. Anjuna, I pay for him small money because I want to pay for him. Because no have business open 24 hours. Nobody can play music after 10 o'clock. Only me, only me, only me.
And true to his claim, he gets a call, perhaps from the police inspector himself. See what he says.
Hello. Hello. How are you? Where are you? Where are you now? Bagasai. I meet you 1 hour exactly, you know patrol station, Anjuna? You come patrol station, you do for me phone call after 1.5 hours exactly. I come, I give you what I need to give you, okay? 1.5 hours exactly.
These policemen are supposed to root out drugs from Goa's coast. He's supposed to jail drug mafias. But see what he's doing. Atala confesses on camera further an incident of police letting off drug peddlers for bribe running into lakhs of rupees. And just check, the policeman Ashish figures again.
Same police. Same police. And why he did it? Because he's tell me, Atala, I not want your boy keep nothing in the pocket. I not want your boy keep nothing in the pocket. And let's go to party to sell drugs. And in the party, too much police. Too much. From all the kind, narcotic, crime, this. As when he's catch roots, he's taken to my house. All the jeep, 12 police, come to Saulim, to my house in Saulim, what's inside the jeep? This chief guy with two more soldiers. These two soldiers, I speak with him now. In the phone, I asked the number phone before. Go up to my house, nobody check. In my house, sit in the table. Tell me, Atala, you remember what I tell you? You see, now we catch Woods. How much money you want to pay? Like this. I look Woods look me. The chief tell me, you know, Atala, if I take now Woods, I not can take him. But you know, if I take him, he's not can release because now he's get bail. He's released out, bail. Woods released bail. If I take him with 1 gram, he's finished.
The protection amount runs in lakhs. This is how the drug seller is caught with his pants down and is allowed to walk free.
What we do? He's tell me I work out like this with the finger, 2 lakh. 2 lakh is $5,000. I tell him, listen, Ashish, you want 2 lakh? You take me now. Now, this is my gram, this is my drugs, take me. Tell me, Atala, I not take you. What you want I do? I tell him now, you give order to your soldier, take him down from the jeep, I give you 1 lakh. And tell him, sure, let's go down from the jeep. I take the 2 gram cocaine, not the scheduled goods.
But Atala refuses to give such an amount, but manages to strike a deal for rupees 1 lakh. Whooping 1 lakh cost to let drugs flow in our coastal belt.
Only because he's tell me, Atala, you remember what I tell you? You tell you it's not keep nothing in the packet. In your business, we not come. Nobody stopping my business. No police stopping my business. Nobody. And you not listen to me. Now it's cost to you money. As I laughing. I tell him, okay, 1 lakh, take 1 lakh. No problem.
2 tapes in line. Prudent has exposed police drug lord nexus. DGP has assured to just look into the tapes. See how our men in uniform sell our pride, our safety, our state to the foreigners for a couple of lakhs. Principal correspondent of PTI Rupesh Samant with our principal correspondent Murari Shetye and video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
It's a Prudent Media impact. Home Minister Ravi Naik, in an exclusive interview to Prudent Media, has said that the action will be taken against guilty officers in 48 hours. The drug nexus expose has left the police department stunned. Murari Shetye reports.
आता आमच्या बरोबर असा होम मिनिस्टर रवी नाईक त्यांच्याकडून जाणून घेऊया की ते किने आता फुडे हाजेर एक्शन घेतले. काल आम्ही दाखवले की पोलीस आणि ड्रग पेडलर कशे गोंयान मेळून धंदो करतात ते. रवी बाब, किने आता तुम्ही हाजेर डिसिजन घेतले?
तुम्ही जे प्रोडक्ट दाखयल्ले ते आमी पळयला आनीक त्या ड्रग्सा संबंदीत तो आथाला कोण तो आनीक हो आथालान कितें सांगलां आनीक कोण कोण ऑफिसर कितें आसा त्या संबंदी जे आसा कितें कारवाय जी आसा ही कारवाय जातली. कारण तेजेर आमचे हें चल्लेलें आसा की आमचे डिस्कशन चालू आसा आनी DGP आनी आमचे भितर डिस्कशन चालू आनी त्या संबंदी कितें आसा ते कारवाई ते हे 2 दीस भितर जातली. आज किंवा फाल्यां कारवाई जातली. पूण आमी आतां सगळे तरेचें हें करूंक शकना कित्याक आमकां तें पळोवचें पडटा कितें आसता एग्जामीन करचें पडटा सगळे तरेचे पेपर एग्जामीन वॉट कितें येयलें तें बाबा तें कितें आसा सपोज तेणें सांगलां तें कितें आसा तें करेक्ट आसा काय ना तें सगळे तरेचें एग्जामीन करून हे 2 दीस भितर कारवाय जातली.
तुम्ही सदांच म्हणटा की ड्रग आमी गोंयान सोंपयतले पूण अशें पोलीस इनवॉल्व ड्रगांच्या हातून जावप ड्रग पेडलरा वांगडा हातून खंय तरी मातशें पोलिसांक सेटबॅक न्हय हो?
ना अशें जावपाक जायना पूण आतां कितले पर्यंत कितें आसा तें हे 2 दिसां कळटलें. आनीक अशें जावपाक जायना की जर तर घरचोच तर भेदी जालो जाल्यार हें अशें प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे जशें घरची भेदी भायलो चोर अशें जाता तशें जावंक शकता पूण तशें जावंक जायना.
तशेंच तांणी अट्टालानूय म्हटलें की आमी पोलीस हाडटा कोर्टान ड्रग भायर व्हरतना परत आपल्या हाडून विकता. हे कशें तुमी कंट्रोल बीन करपाक कितें?
ना कितें आसा म्हाका दिसता तें कोर्टाचें तें आसता कोर्टान मागीर तें ऑर्डर म्हाका दिसता तांकां दिता आसता पूण हें आमकां खबर ना तें आतां पयलीच फावटी आमकां तशें TV वयल्यान आमी पयलें कळ्ळां पूण तेजी त्या संबंदी सगळे तरेची हेजेर इन्क्वायरी चालू आसा. ते ह्या 2 दिसां भितर तेजी कारवाय फुडली जातली.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Anil Sanadi. Time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.